Well, fuck that Camaro. Hello, Mustang. Over here at my job, and I just did my water pump on my Mustang. Oh yeah. Water pump was easy as shit, dog. Dirty ass engine bay, I know. But here she is, my new water pump. Hey, my baby K&N. Now I've already put like 5,000 miles on it, and she's doing good. Now this motherfucker, on the other hand, fuck that Camaro. Fuck this Camaro. This is the 6.0 swap that I told you about on the same 4L6E transmission. Anyway, Camaro shut off on me the other day while I was driving, so assumed it was my alternator. Battery tested good, so replace my alternator. Going to drive her home, shuts off on me in my parking lot. So now I don't know if it's my fuel filter or fuel pump or whatever the fuck. I'll show you one reason why I don't think it's my fuel pump. Somebody already did it. I hope to